Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In this video, I am going to show you how to disable or enable 120Hz refresh rate on your iPhone. For this tutorial, I'll be demonstrating the process on iPhone 17 Pro, but the process is same on all iPhone models that support 120Hz refresh rate. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, like the video and subscribe to the channel. So first of all, you need to open settings. Now scroll down and tap on accessibility. In the vision section, look for motion and tap on that. Now scroll down to the bottom. You will see an option called limit frame rate. Here is the rule. If this toggle is green on, your phone is locked to 60 Hz. It will feel slower. You want this toggle to be gray off. Make sure it is turned off. This unlocks the ProMotion display. Allow it to ramp up to 120 Hz. You need to keep in mind that if this feature is off, your device is using 120 Hz refresh rate. If this feature is on, it's locked to 60 Hz. Now if you have checked that setting and it was already off, but your phone still feels slow, next step is almost certainly your problem. It's low power mode. When your iPhone battery gets low, or if you accidentally toggle this on, low power mode automatically disables 120 Hz to save energy. You can tell if this is on because your battery icon in the top right corner will be yellow, like this. As soon as you turn low power mode off, ProMotion kicks back instantly. So if you want that smooth 120 Hz experience, you have to sacrifice a tiny bit of battery life and keep low power mode off. So that's all about this video. I hope this helps. If you have any query related to the video, drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.